Hello YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. It's been a minute, so I haven't been uploading here on the main channel, but I have been uploading on my watch channel. By the way, quick wristwatch check of the day. I am wearing my Seiko Gundam Char Zaku watch. Ganda oh. Massive though. Para kang meron kang it's just like a tin can on your wrist. I do have a watch channel. If you guys want to know more about my watches, check them out. It's linked down below. I also have an NBA cards channel. It's also linked down below. Anyway, in today's episode, speaking of NBA, I have sneakers that were designed by Virgil Abloh of Off-White and Louis Vuitton for LV that it says in the website was inspired by basketball and hope maybe even the NBA because of the color. So we'll unbox that pair. And then we'll unbox another LV sneaker that I got as a gift. So both shoes, tingnan natin. Let's take a closer look. Keep on watching, tara guys. Let's go. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. This is the Louis Vuitton trainer, which is inspired by basketball. And you can clearly see with the colorway that when Virgil Abloh was designing this, he was probably thinking of the NBA. I mean, just take a look at the colors. But it's not an official collaboration from what I've read. So just take that into consideration. So just like with all Louis Vuitton sneakers, it comes in an orange box. It comes with its own dust bag. Let's pick up a pair or one of the shoes. Sarado natin to. Whoo! Exciting. Bam! Oh, diba? Winner! So as you guys can see, it comes dominantly in a base white color, but it does have accents of blue and red, which taken together are the colors of the NBA logo, man. And that's probably one of the reasons why in the description of the sneaker in the website, it was said that it was inspired by basketball. Apart from the basketball shoe or the basketball trainer build, no, that Virgil has been known for when it comes to his LV designs. Now, another key feature is this one. This is called the Comet logo, which came out, I think, in 2020, early 2020. I have another sneaker that I'll show you in a bit that uses the same motif. In terms of the construction, you have really high quality leather. I think it's calf grain. And then it's noted on the website as well that each pair takes 7 to 8 hours of stitching to put together because everything is handmade in Italy. So yun yung one of the key features or key things to know about Louis Vuitton, or at least sneakers such as this one. Na talagang hindi lang siya out of any factory. It's actually made out of the best quality possible. I was able to wear this already. Super comfortable for a designer sneaker. Usually designer brand shoes are horrible for your feet, but this one is definitely an exception to that. Ganda! Panalo talaga. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from all of you. Now I'll show you the other sneaker that I was talking about. Okay, sneaker number 2. So this one, if I'm not mistaken, is called the Louis Vuitton Runaway with the Comet design for the logo. So buksan ulit natin siya. Dust bag, same design. You have that orange box. And then if you pop this open, ayan siya. May sarili siyang dust bag again. And bam! O, diba? 90s vibe, 90s retro design for the pastel colors. This one, the Runaway sneaker, is one of the most famous silhouettes of Louis Vuitton. And this one, they just updated it to have these colors. So you have the LV logo, some sort of shiny patent leather over here. Lots of suede, different panels of blue. Orange laces for the pop, Louis Vuitton Paris written on the tongue tab. I haven't worn this yet because it is a gift and I haven't found the occasion to wear it kasi nga we're on a lockdown or we're still in the pandemic. Not the lockdown, since actually we're lowering down alert levels here in the Philippines. But yeah, I just want to show you this sneaker as well. Let me know, which one do you guys like the most? Which one do you prefer? Do you like this one or do you like the NBA inspired? Again, it's not an official NBA collaboration, but yeah, I just want to know from you which of the two you guys prefer and why. Comment down below. So yun, those were the 2 sneakers that I wanted to share with you guys. But before we end, I want to show you a really nice NBA card that we pulled recently. So tara, sama kayo. Pre, magbigay pugay muna tayo kay Dusty. Hello Dusty, Jujuju. Say hi to the vlog, say hi to the vlog, Dusty. Jujuju. Bago nga pala yung card, I'll show you guys something that we recently got from Muji. Super nice siya. So these are like your typical storage boxes. But the good thing about this one is that they're stackable and, tingnan nyo to, you can buy those roller platform-based things. So ang mangyayari dyan, kung gusto nyo siyang hatakin, hawakan nyo lang dito, stackable. Whoa! Diba? So it's like a push cart on top of 3 boxes. So pwede mong isa lang, dalawa lang, but it's really nice. So we ended up buying 2 to store random stuff that's clutter here at home. And the NBA card that I wanted to show you guys was this. I pulled this in my recent break. Pwede nyo tignan sa aking NBA cards vlog. We opened the Panini Spectra Asia box. It's the James Harden out of 25 Dragon Scale. Kung titignan niyo yung background niya, parang may Dragon Scale. Super sick card. Only 25 of this. Kita nyo, numbered siya. This one is numbered 9 out of 25. Nakasulat dyan sa likod. It's a variation kasi may V. It's a really nice card. I'm hoping to get like a Trae Young Dragon Scale kasi si Trae Young talaga yung personal collection ko. And I just found out also that there is a goldfish version and a panda version. I mean, what? Seriously? Sobrang daming parallels. But yeah, that's the card I wanted to show. If you want to watch the entire break of this, kung saan ko to na-pull, plus other cards, link down below to my NBA cards vlog. So yun guys, that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed. Very quick, simple unboxing, and then I just shared you what I got from Muji, as well as that really nice NBA card. The Dragon Scale, diba? So I hope you're all having a great weekend. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.